So here we have this VEVOR 10-foot geometric climbing dome. Now, full disclosure, this is a paid review, but the opinions in this video are my own. Alright, so I'm going to really quickly unbox and show you how to put this together, and then I'll give you a closer look at it. Alright, so here's the box it came in. It's pretty heavy, it's also wrapped up pretty well. It came with a small instruction manual, as well as 2 packs of nuts and bolts, and 2 pairs of gloves, and the 2 hardware packets are both nicely labeled. It also comes with these plastic knob pieces, and then a bunch of the main metal pieces for the frame. Anyway, to start building it, we're going to lay out 10 of the blue pipes in this decagon shape, and all the blue pipes are exactly the same except for these 6 that are in the bottom of the box. These have a silver sticker wrapped around them. I think they're a little bit thicker, and we'll use those last. Anyway, then we're going to start connecting the decagon together just like this, with a bolt coming through the outside. And when you do this, you're also going to attach a yellow and blue pipe. And then on the end of the bolt, you're going to put a washer and a lock nut. And I tighten it up just enough to hold the 2 pieces up. I want to leave it a little bit loose so I can move these around how I need them. And I put this whole thing together by myself, but I'd highly recommend having a second person help you. Alright, so here's what it's supposed to look like. The bolt should be coming from the outside with a washer, and then on the inside there should be another washer with the lock nut. And you just have to continue bolting it together all the way around, making sure you alternate which side the yellow and blue are on so they connect together just like this. Next, you're going to connect together the yellow pipes, making a star shape like this, with a bolt and a washer on the inside pointing outwards with a regular nut on the outside. And with this section and all the other ones moving forward as we put together the rest of the dome, you're going to want to make sure you put them together just like this, with the pipes overlapping starting from the inside and making their way outward. And this is so these spiral caps will fit on later. Anyway, you're going to make that star shape on 2 of these yellow sections and then connect it together in the center with 2 more blue pipes. Just like this, having the bolt pointing outwards and overlapping the pipes counterclockwise as I just mentioned. And you're just going to continue putting it together just like that all the way around until it looks like this. And then you're going to connect those together with 2 more blue pipes and 1 yellow pipe. And these are the blue pipes that have the silver sticker on them. Again, making sure they're overlapped counterclockwise. And then to finish off the pipe building, you're going to connect together the very tippy top center. And then once you do that, here's what it's going to look like. It's a nice solid dome. And now you need to go back and make sure all the bolts are nice and tight. And there is one last step, and that's going to be screwing on all of these plastic knobs. And as I showed before, they have this sort of counterclockwise spiral design. And you're just going to screw these on to all of the intersections. And there we go. After about an hour and a half, I finished putting it together. It was a bit of a challenging build because I was doing it by myself. But if you have a second person to help you hold the pipes while you tighten them down, it'll be a lot easier and probably much quicker. Anyway though, once this thing is put together, it's super solid, and it's made out of hot dip galvanized steel with a powder coated finish on it, so it's pretty durable and is going to hold up just fine outdoors. The triangle section design gives it a lot of strength, and these pipes seem pretty sturdy as well, and the pipes felt plenty sturdy enough when I was climbing around on them. Now, this isn't the biggest jungle gym. It's only about 5 foot tall, so it's meant for smaller kids aged 3 to 10. Of course, older kids can still climb on it. It's plenty strong enough for that. It's just a little bit small. Also, I really like these knobs on the intersections. They're plenty sturdy, and they cover up all the slightly rougher ends of the pipes. This dome is also pretty light. It's only 80 pounds, so it's really easy to move around. And yeah, overall, it's a nice sturdy climbing dome, nice fun colors, and it's also not super expensive, so overall, I'd say this is a great climbing dome for kids.